up, fam? George here with Salt Preachers. Just got my new Danko knives in. Knives in. And want to do an unboxing really quick. So we have a 5-inch flex, 7-inch flex, and a 9-inch stout. So as you can see, they came very, very sharp. Super sharp. Great quality. Great counterweight to them. They come in this nice little package right here. Also comes with a great roll-up bag, so you can keep it on your boat, keep it in the house, keep it safe out of the kids' way. These shark fillets are absolutely beautiful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna, Lady K is gonna blacken some or fry some, and we're gonna fry some. What I'm doing with the ones we're gonna fry, I'm just taking a knife and I'm stripping them up. I'm gonna marinate them so that when we're frying them, we're not frying like huge chunks. So we only got one, so we're just gonna have different little sample pieces. So it's gonna take it, strip it up like that. So that's all we're gonna do. You know, we're just sampling it. Really our first time trying shark. So we're just gonna sample it, okay? So I'm gonna take a little bowl. Y'all know in black folk house, we're at my mom's house. Black folk house, everything gets recycled. You gotta be careful when you open these in a black person's house, because you're not gonna open this and get whipped out or butter. You might open this and get, you know, leftover greens, peas, chicken, and dumplings. You gotta be careful when you open something like this in black
old bacon grease.
So we're gonna put this in here, and we brought some for the seasoning. Okay. Bought some Kinder's bourbon peach seasoning. So just gonna take a little bit of this bourbon peach seasoning.
It has salt in it.
Huh?
It has salt in it too.
Yeah, that's all we're gonna use.
Smell it. Let me smell it. Oh yeah, that smells good.
So just gonna take a little bit of this bourbon peach seasoning. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. That's it. Gonna take it. We're just gonna let that boy sit there for, you know, long enough for the grease to get hot. So we got a couple ground mullet. We're gonna take those ground mullet. We're gonna do the same thing. Put a little bit of that bourbon peach seasoning on that boy. Just let her sit there. Let her sit there. Just sampling today. Just doing a little sampling. That's all. And we'll see y'all in a minute.
All right, you guys, this is Lady K. I'm going to sear the shark for you. So I've got my pieces cut up, and we're gonna put just a little bit of the bourbon peach like you saw George do for the strips. Just a little bit of on each side, okay? Just a little bit, and I'm gonna rub it in a little bit. Nothing there. Just to make sure it's coated well. Add a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna use some jerk seasoning. Secret.
It ain't a secret no more.
Yeah, it's not a secret anymore. So you guys just got a good little secret of ours. All right, I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Bourbon peach. Give you that little flavor, sweet flavor. And I'm gonna record by myself next to
I'm gonna edit that part out.
And a little bit of the jerk. And you don't want to put too much of either one on there because they both already have a bunch of stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna go to my cast iron skillet. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of oil and I'm gonna let that heat up. I'm gonna add some butter to it, baby. And if you like me, I love butter. It's gonna be good. See, down here in Mississippi, we like flavor. Okay, so we're gonna let that melt and let it heat up, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Alright, so I'm going to add my shark steaks in there. And one thing that I did do off camera was add a little garlic powder and a little brown sugar powder seasoning. I'm excited to taste it too. As you can see, already got a little color on the one side. Can you smell it? Smells good. Good here. I don't want to burn it. I don't want to make it too dry. So I want to make sure we cook it just right. All right, time to take them out. I got me a little plate with a little paper towel in it to drain the excess oil and butter. Alright, so we've got our mullet and our shark going in our cornmeal. Shake, shake, shake. Cover it up. Get it good and coated. Alright. Let's get our mullet out in there first. Take a It's good and hot. Little sharp pieces. And I'm gonna spread those out. For a little bit. Good. Okay, it's frying up real good. It's firm. It's getting firm. I'm telling you. Okay, my mullet's ready. A little bit more. Get golden brown. Gee, we gonna eat some fish, baby.
I want to try the shark.
You gonna try it all, baby.
Then you don't have no reason to. You don't have no reason to.
Alright.
If you want to do that, go back to
Shark is ready.
Yay! Shark? Is this a shark?
Yes, this is shark and this is shark.
Oh. The bullet is shark?
No.
Give me a fork.
Fried shark.
I think.
Delicious.
Those little ones are the sharks?
Mm-hmm.
I got shark.
Is this shark
That's
too?
shark too. Mm-hmm.
A fork.
And the little ones are sharks?
Yep.
It's hot.
Take the whole thing, baby.
No, you gotta
I want to try the.
Hey, y'all can try that piece. Go ahead and take the whole piece.
Take the whole piece. Only thing you
I want
can
this
have
one
on
scared. I want this one. You better not be scared. She's scared to eat it. Can I have some of that baked short? I can't believe I'm eating this right now.
It's good.
Good.
I know we got some hot sauce here.
Oh. In the refrigerator.
Thank you.
This has.
Cover your mouth. Cover your mouth.
No.
Hey.
Hey.
Okay. Did you taste a piece of that?
Hey,
We eating shark.
how you gonna feel?
No.
Shark?
It's good. No flavor.
Oh wow.
Is it good?
They don't have no flavor.
I'm just throwing something on.
Eat it that way, it ain't got no flavor. Look, I need you. and patties.
It tastes just like regular fish.
We getting sharp from here on out.
Mom, can you give me some ketchup? It's good. Ooh. I know we have some ketchup in.
Both ways.
I know we have
Really good.
This tastes I know we have some ketchup in.